Now, shout out to Gamer Nexus for posting this on YouTube. But starting off right away, this was probably one of the worst launches of any GPUs out there. And you had many stores that simply did not get a single 5090. And they had people waiting around the whole entire line around the store waiting for GPUs. To literally have the store have 0 GPUs in stock, which again is insane. I'll leave a link down below to Gamer Nexus video, because even him and his staff could not order a 5090. They tried just like myself and completely failed, which is insane too. But it's not even the bots that are really the problem here. It's really just the impossible stock. There was no stock of this. And based on what we understand, Chinese New Year right around the corner, this is really just Nvidia trying to push out this device, trying to push out this GPU to get ahead of the tariffs and also get ahead of everything else. And because of that, we got ourselves a GPU launch where some locations might have gotten 6 or 7 actual devices. Tustin, California store, Micro Center store, got 67. Columbus got 12. Just a little, for example, there might have been 150 people in line outside, and Columbus got 12 total units. Like, and again, a lot of these have 0. Like, going down this list here, we have Fairfax, Virginia, 5. 5, like, and it goes down to 0, which is insanely crazy. But again, this is kind of a paper launch. It's exactly what it is. You release a spec sheet of a device, and that's pretty much all that's going to happen. There's not enough for even like 5%. Like, we already knew that this was going to be a very stunted launch, because the fact that already Nvidia came out and said that this would be a very bad stocking issue. There wouldn't be much supplies of this device. We didn't expect them to literally maybe have less than 2,000 actual units of the device. It's way more than that. But like, it feels like 2,000 units. It's, again, very crazy, to be honest. Very insanely crazy, but we're not going to really probably see a huge stock of this again until after Chinese New Year, which is going to be next couple months. MSI is not coming out with their one. They're actually holding their release until February 7th because of this problem. And yeah, no, it's just going to be an everlasting mess. I feel like every GPU launch is always crazy. I mean, the 4090 still, till this day right now, when that came out, what, 5 years ago, the 4090 is still impossible to get. Like, it is still, there's no way you will ever get that for 1,500 MSRP. The best you're gonna get 5090 for right now is 2,200 to $3,000, which is already more MSRP than the 5090. So I can imagine, even when the 5090 does eventually get restocked and does eventually become more available, there's no way the 5090 ever even looks at a price tag under $3,000. There's just no way. Because I don't think they're ever going to be able to truly get that device out there, especially with the limited stocks. There's just no way. It's going to be $3,000 plus. And now obviously there's going to be tariffs potentially that will also raise the price of MSRP. So now we're talking about maybe $3,500, $4,000, and that's going to be the new MSRP for the norm, is $4,000 for the 5090. And the 4090 is still around $2,200, $2,500. That might go up, who knows. It is insane. It surely is insane, but hey, it is what it is. You know, I tried this today to get one. I made a video earlier. There's still people on eBay who are scamming the bots or trying to scam the bots. They're just posting a picture of the device and saying, hey, look, I'm selling this 5090. And they say on the thing like, humans do not like buy this. This is for bots and only bots. And yeah, they're just trying to make free money off bots. So it is what it is at the end of the day. Shout out to Nvidia, because I don't know what the hell they're doing. AMD is not releasing, like, AMD is not on the level of 5090 right now, so it's not like they're going to release anything anytime soon. I think AMD, I believe might be incorrect, isn't releasing their cards until March or April, but then even that is like very tight-lipped. Yeah, now it's the never-ending struggle, I will say. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace.